So let's discuss the addition and subtraction of matrices. Now realize one thing, that addition and subtraction of two matrices is only possible if first of all they are of the same order. And what we do with them is we just add or subtract, add or subtract their corresponding elements. So a rather intuitive and straightforward approach towards addition and subtraction of matrices. Let's just understand this further with the help of an example. Let's consider a matrix A, which is, suppose, let's color code the elements. 5, 4, 3, and -2. Right, so we've taken matrix A as a 2 by 2 matrix. So we'll consider another matrix B. Since we've taken the first matrix as a 2 by 2, we'll consider matrix B also as a 2 by 2 matrix. Let's take its elements as 1, -3, how about 2 and 4. Right, so we have our matrix A and matrix B. Let's just look at both addition and subtraction for these two matrices. Let's look at addition first. Let's perform matrix A plus matrix B first. So as I said, they have to be of the same order, so that condition is satisfied. Now all you need to do is add their corresponding elements, right? So the first row first element of A is 5 plus the first row first element of B, which is 1. The first row second column element for A is 4, plus the first row second column element for B, which is -3. Next, the second row first column element for A is 3, plus the second row first column element for B is 2. Finally, the third row second column, -2 for A and plus 4 for B. Right, so that's what this is. So matrix A plus matrix B is just the addition of their corresponding elements. And now if we are to solve this, what do we get? Let's see, 5 plus 1, which is 6. 4 plus -3, so that is 4 minus 3 will give you 1. 3 plus 2, 5. And -2 plus 4, which makes it 4 minus 2, which is 2. So this is our answer for matrix A plus matrix B. Rather straightforward approach, just add the corresponding elements. Let's use the same example and perform matrix subtraction this time. Let's consider matrix A minus matrix B. So just as in the case of addition, this time we will subtract the corresponding elements. So it's going to be 5 minus 1, 4 minus 3, right? 3 minus 2, and finally I'll have -2 minus 4 as my last element. Again, let's just quickly solve them. So the first row, first element, 5 minus 1 will give me 4. First row, second column element, 4 minus minus 3. 4 minus minus 3 makes it 4 plus 3, which is 7. 3 minus 2, which makes it 1. And minus 2 minus 4, so that will make it minus 6. Alright, so that here gives me the answer for A, matrix A minus matrix B. So as you can see, addition and subtraction of matrices is fairly straightforward, but you do have to make sure that the two matrices that you're adding or subtracting have the same order, because addition and subtraction of matrices is not defined for different order matrices. Yeah? In the next video, we will see scalar multiplication of matrices. Yeah.